Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So I know I'm in a bit of a weird angle, but I'm just trying to show you my hair because I have very long hair, so I'm just trying to show like the length. But yeah, so I show you in this video how you get these gorgeous like beachy waves. They're so nice. And guess what? As you read in the title, they are heat free. Not one bit of heat was used in this video. It's not damaging to your hair at all. It looks like I got the wand and like full on sectioned off my hair and curled it, and I get so many compliments when I wear my hair like this, kind of like Hollywood. But this is like every lazy girl's dream, or every girl like me who isn't good with hair. It's the dream. It's so easy, and I show you exactly how to do it in this video. That's why it's such a short video, because it's literally that quick and easy. But yeah, I literally love these curls. They're so mermaidy, so girly. They're so like you can wear them anywhere. They look like you've got your hair done. But yeah, so keep watching if you want to see how I got this. If I can do it, you can definitely do it. But yeah, I hope you enjoy, and let's get into it. So as you can see, like I look so bad because I just had a shower and washed my hair. But you can see my hair is still damp. So I want it to like be damp and not wet. I just feel like if it's too wet, it takes, well, my hair's so thick, it takes so long to dry. But I'm gonna put this in first, the Revlon Professional Unique one in coconut, and I just like spray that all kind of in the ends of my hair. This is like a leave-in conditioner. Like it literally has like 10 real benefits. If you're from America, I'd say it's very similar to like It's a 10, but this is like professional, like you get in the hairdressers. It's only €15 though, but it's the coconut one. It smells so good and I love it. So what you want to do, please excuse my tea. I'm drinking green tea and it's like 12 o'clock at night. But we're gonna divide our hair, and I'm just gonna put this one like this, and then we're literally just gonna French plait this one. Like, I'm not even, like, I brushed it as well before I did this, but I'm not like the best at French plaits. But it doesn't have to be an amazing one unless you plan on wearing it out. Sometimes I do this to my hair and like I wear it for a day or two as French plaits and I make them really nice. But if it's just literally to curl your hair, then no need. But yeah, so I'm just gonna do this one. I'll speed it up and then we'll do the next one. I know I look crazy and I look about 5 years old, but this is how it should look, or like whatever. You don't even have to do French plaits, but if you want like curls from the roots, it's really nice. I leave these in, if I can, I leave them in for like a few days. I'm gonna leave them in tonight, all tomorrow, and then take them out the next day. So they're gonna be in for like a day and a half. One day I left them in for like 3 days and my hair was like curly and it lasted for like ages. It was so nice. So if you have time, leave it in like if you could wash your hair in the morning, do this and then not take it out to like the next day. So it was literally left in for like 24 hours. If you don't have time and you need to take them out the next day, then that's fine. They'll still be really nice and curly, but I think the longer you try to leave these in, the nicer and the longer they last. Especially if you have very straight hair and you don't really hold a curl. But that's all I do, and then when I take them out, I'll obviously show you when I take them out what they look like, and I'll look a bit better. I'll have makeup on and stuff. You're literally seeing me at my worst. Like it doesn't get much worse than this. But yeah, and then I just put a bit of hairspray in them, and that's literally all I do. You can put sea salt spray if you want, but I'm just lazy and I'm like, yeah, that's my curls, they're done now, woohoo. So yeah, I will be back in a day and a half and I'll show you what it looks like. So this is literally like 2 days later. So Friday evening I washed my hair and I did these. Now it's like 3 o'clock Sunday. So yeah, I'm just gonna take these out. So this is what it looks like when you take it out. It is literally so curly. It's so nice. Like so nice. And this is literally like with no heat at all. Like you could, this is the same effect you'd get with like the wand, those kind of curls. I'm gonna move my camera back a little bit so you can actually see, because I have very long hair, like how long and curly it is. So this is it here. Like look at this. Is so curly. Like it is so nice. So I'm gonna just fluff it up a little bit now that you've seen the full length. I'm just gonna move my camera back and fluff it up a little bit and show you like the finished result. So I just get my dry shampoo because I like to, I don't know if you have seen my like hair care video, but I only wash my hair once a week. Now these won't really last, these will last about 3 days, but after kind of 3 days they just kind of get like, they're not like this anymore, they're kind of just like raggy kind of looking, like your hair needs a bit of a brush. So for half of the week I'll wear it like this, and then the other half I'll either straighten it or just put it up in a bun till I wash it. But I only wash my hair once a week, but like the key to that is every day I put a little bit of dry shampoo in, and when I wash it, like when it dries, I usually put it in just so it takes every bit of oil out. I just used the Bastise. This is the tropical one because it smells kind of coconutty and it's summer. And then I just rub it into my hair. Then I just get my hairspray. I just use any hairspray at the minute. I have this Wella. This is like the old one. Like it's horrible. I don't really like it. It kind of smells weird and makes your hair kind of crunchy. But it's the only hairspray I have at the minute. But usually I use like, I love Elna. That's the best. If you want to get good hairspray, get that one. But what I do is I just spray my hair so it keeps them then a little bit longer. And you can just style it kind of any way you want. I just kind of leave it like that, and I put in like big earrings or whatever. You can like clip it if you want, you can back comb it if you want, make it bigger, but to me it's pretty big. So yeah, this is how you literally get like the most perfect beachy waves with like no heat at all, not even a little bit. So yeah, even if you're going out or going anywhere, like if you don't want to put heat in your hair, you don't have a lot of time, wash your hair, do this the night before, and the next day, like it's perfect. Like that's your hair done. I used to always do this when I was a little girl. My mom used to always either do this or put in those rollers, like those little foam rollers, and my hair lasts like this for ages. And like it would be so pretty going to school and stuff. So yeah, so this is the finished look. They're like big mermaid kind of curls. But yeah, I hope you like this. I'm not very like good with hair, I'm more of the makeup side, but little things like this, if you ever want tutorials or anything, just let me know. I hope you like this. Please like and subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.